How to redeem Temu Coins. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can redeem your coins on Temu, or how to redeem your Temu coins or free credits. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to go ahead and open up Temu application. You want to head over to the U option at the bottom of your screen. Once under U, you'll find the option that says Earn Credits and Free Gifts. You want to tap on it. Once you tap on it here, you should find the option that says Redeem Credit or Redeem Coins. You want to tap on it here, and you can see Redeem Coins page here. Now, I have 0 coins here. Rewards can be redeemed from lowest to highest, so you can earn it here. You can see a US $10 credit for 150 coins and such. Now, I don't have enough coins, but how you can get the coins, you can spin it here, as you can see. Similarly, if you scroll down below, you'll be able to see how to redeem your credit. You can refer friends with your link and spin the wheel to earn coins and redeem your star coins for credits. So you can spin the wheel to get the coins here. You'll have to refer your friends to get tickets here. You can refer and you can earn. You can copy code, share link, and once they enter the referral code, and you'll be able to get the ticket here. And with the ticket, you can spin it to get the coins, and here with coins you'll be able to redeem the coins for credit, which you can use on your checkout during the purchase. So this way you can redeem Temu coins. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.